Hi everyone, Candy here. Turn up my microphone. Alright, I'm getting ready to do a fun little Saturday workout. So, today we're going to have some sets versus interval timed activities. We're going to be doing 20 low jacks, 20 burpees, 20 left cross leg bridge, 20 right cross leg bridge, hatchet crunches, 20 of them, low plank alternating leg lift, followed by 20 squat jumps. So everything in 20s. So I'm planning to do it one time through. I've done some working out today already today, so if I feel like it, I'll do it again. But otherwise, I'm going to be doing it one time through. You can do it 2 times through or 3 times through, depending on whatever level you're at. But right now, I'm going to be doing it once, and then if you'd like, repeat. So I got my water. Make sure you drink lots of water. It's a nice warm day, and remember, your body needs lots of water every day, especially when it's warmer. So I'm going to take a swig, and then we'll get started, all right? Here we go. I'm already all nice and warmed up. So first thing we're going to do is 20 low jacks. So get here, get low, and then we're just going to come in and out. You ready? Let me get by that light that's behind me. It's kind of awkward. There we go. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and a 20. That was like a all around view so they could see from different angles what it should look like. Alright. Okay, here's the 20 burpees. So now that we're nice and warmed up with the low jacks, we've got the burpees. Everyone knows how to do the burpees, so let's just pop them out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me shake it out real quick. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost there, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my gosh. Whew. My legs are burning from that. Alright. Cross leg bridge times 20. So, with these ones, you're going to want to be on the ground, obviously. Hands very booty. Put your left leg on top of the right, just below the knee. And we're just going to do the bridge. So, foot close to the buns, and let's push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really squeeze. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're going to switch. Just below the knee. And I'm pausing at the top for a second just to, make sure I'm squeezing it at the top. So don't just go through really quick. Make sure there's a little pause at the top. Hands by your booty, foot by your booty. Remember, we're pushing through our heel. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze all through here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Done with those. Next thing we have is hatchet crunches. Okay, these are fun. With these ones, we are going to have our hands together, palms together, legs spread wide, and we're just going to come in like we're chopping ourselves in half. So, get in a good position. I'm going to move these train set out of my way. Alright, so we're just going to pull everything together 20 times. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, do a little lift with the bum, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oh my back, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When I sit on my back wasn't actually hurting, but my little sports bra was catching on the ground. That's what was hurting my back. It wasn't actual back pain. Alright, we're going to be doing low plank alternating leg lift. So, get my hair back up. Alright, so for this one, we want to get in a nice, good low plank first of all. On your forearms. Arms should be aligned with your shoulders. And get up there on your toes. Nice straight line with your spine. And we're just going to lift up, alternating left and right for 20 times. Here we go. 1, 2, try to keep the back still. 3, 4, squeeze. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, keep everything tight and squeeze together. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's that. Alright, so we have one more exercise left. One more. Are you ready? We have squat jumps. So, with these, you could just squat. Make sure that you're pushing your booty back behind yourself and your weight is on your heels, not your toes. So, when you go down, you want to make sure your booty is coming back. See how my knees are not on my toes, my buns are back, and my weight is in my heels. So I'm going to go back like that. Now when we jump, you can either just come up and jump, and come up and jump, or you can squat, and then when you jump, really squeeze back on everything, push everything back. Arms go back, feet go back. Your back is tightened, your butt's tightened, your legs tightened, and really push back. So, one more time if you want to do that way. we're going to go down, and when we come up, we're just going to push. So from the back, maybe like this. We're going to come down, and then push. So those are your two options. Let's do it. You get some of the weird light. Okay, here we go. Ready? 20 squat jumps. And I'll switch angles so you can see it from a different perspective. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From the side. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. On the back. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ta-da! We're done. Alright, so that was it. Like I said, if you'd like, if you like, you can go back and do it again. You can go back and do it twice if you'd like. I have gotten some working out in already, so I'm actually wanting to eat some food. So remember, drink lots of water, get your working out in, try to stay away from those empty calories like soda and alcohol if you can. I know it's hard for some of you, but do your best because your body will thank you for it and it will function a lot better. So have a good night. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my page if you haven't yet. I'm almost up to 6,000 views, so keep viewing and also subscribe. I need more subscribers. Thank you for everyone who already has subscribed, and have a good night. Bye. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good Sunday.